everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Zabaish Abdi, and in today's video, I will teach you how to make a beautiful pearl necklace. For this tutorial, we will be creating a shorter version of the necklace without golden beads, but the process remains the same for both the longer and shorter design. Let's start by taking a look at the material we will need. Some pearls, lobster, jump ring, some golden beads and transparent thread, plier and a cutter. Small golden beads are optional, but I have showed you, so if you want to add you can add. So I have also created these small pearls bow, and that video will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. For the longer necklace, I have added 2 golden beads at each end, but for this tutorial we will make the simpler version without them. So first take double strand of transparent thread for extra durability. Now attach a jump ring securely to one end of the thread. Start threading the pearls onto the thread one by one and keep going until you reach your desired length. Once the necklace is completed, secure the other end of the thread. Now attach the jump ring to the other end of the thread. Finally, add a lobster clasp to one of the jump ring and you are done. You will find all the links of the material in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. And that's it, your elegant pearl necklace is ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning. For more creative DIY projects, let me know in the comment what you would like to see next. Thank you for watching.